Yeah.
Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy C back with another video, and I got something that just came in the mail today. You'll know what it is when you see it, but I'm super excited. Um, I missed out on this on my own personally, but shout out to the homie G. I appreciate you. I sincerely appreciate this because without you, I wouldn't have been able to get them. And let's get into it. All right, so let's see how I'm gonna do this. Got to set my phone up. Let's block out some information. On the package. Yeah, I know I look wild because it is not early, but it's early. I've been home all day, so I'm gonna try to prop this up here. All right, so yeah, I really didn't even make space to get rid of anything. It's just popped up in the mail, if you will. Like I said, G, I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. Package just came in. You probably know if you recognize this tape. All right, so you can tell here, you probably already know what it is if you place an order from this place. The proof is in the pudding. This box is a little beat up, but as long as the contents inside are straight, I'm happy with it. Covered up for personal security. You don't need to see the address. All right, let's get this open. Oh my gosh, G, I really appreciate you for this. I can't say it enough. I am super hyped. Let's fucking go. Get that out of the way. I have my laptop sitting there because this just came in unexpected. Like I expected a package, but not at the time when I was in the middle of doing work. But as you can see, what we got right now is the Nike SB Dunk Low OG QS Quick Strike white and bark root brown. Oh man, this is the only pair I managed to get. I'm fine with that because I'm glad I got something, and I definitely wasn't paying $800 plus $1,000 for a pair. So if I didn't end up getting one, I would have took my L like a big boy. Oh my god, and these are so clean. Oh my god. It's just feels. Let me set these here. Can you see that? Can you see that? These things look luxury, man. Like that, it's like gator skin. I don't know if it actually is. But I know Nike's been moving away from using actual animal for their shoes. and the times they do, it comes with a very high premium. But these were, I believe, retailed for $110. Has your stars. Let me move this up some. Boom. Has your stars, your leather, little piece of lace jewelry that says Supreme. Supreme insole. Nike swoosh stitched on the tongue with like a glitter material. Golden like silk embroidery on the Nike swoosh. This is actually really fire. World famous tag, of course, comes with most of the Nike SB dunks. I still got mine from the last pair with the dip-toed colors, but this is fire. Damn, I kind of wish I had them all, but I am truly grateful. This is a great shoe to have. Let me get rid of the box so we can get a little more up close and personal. All right, let's start with this one. All right, so as you can see, like I said, it is that like gator like leathered pattern. All right, we got the shiny gold foil stars. Let's see, kind of like on a wax tumbled leather. You can actually feel like the actual stars. That's weird. It's not weird, but that's interesting. All right, that croc leather going around the whole shoe. Nice stitching. Great quality material. Shiny gold embroidery. Look at that leather move, man. Oh, beautiful. Nice little toe box there. The tongue is, I don't even know what the material is, but it's definitely padded like your standard OG SB dunk. Comes with flat lace, black flat laces installed on the inside of the tongue. Again with that gold foil or gold sparkling material. This is fire with a piece of lace jewelry that says Supreme. All right, let's see with the second pair. I'm very surprised that this doesn't come with oval laces, but it does say world famous on the lace tips, the aglets. Same thing, comes with this one pair of laces, an extra set, brown, and I'm assuming whatever color you have, it comes with that corresponding color, aside from the black. Same details matching, Supreme insole. When you place them together side by side, oop, camera's all off, it should read Supreme, give or take a couple letters. But yeah, man, this shoe. But yeah, this shoe is straight fire. Thanks again for making this video possible. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And it's me, C. Appreciate you all. Peace.